This is good practice. If you did this, you're checking your work. In 12, these were not in y equals mx plus b. So what you had to do was solve for y. So you took x plus 8/3 y equals 12. You had to subtract x from both sides, giving 8/3 y equals negative x plus 12. We cannot have a fraction on my y, so what we had to do was multiply by its reciprocal, and you had to multiply by the reciprocal on both sides. That canceled the 8/3 on the left, giving y equals negative 3/8 x plus 12 times 3 is 36. 36 divided by 8, which could reduce, because both divide by 4, to 9/2. Because then if you look at the next part of the problem, it gave 1/2 x plus 4/3 y equals 6. So again, you had to subtract over x, and multiply by the reciprocal. And it had to distribute to both parts. So you had negative 3/8 x plus 18/4. So what you should notice is that they had the same slope. So at this point, they're either parallel or coinciding. 18/4 reduced to 9/2, which meant that the lines were coinciding. It meant they were the identical line. So if the lines are coinciding, that means you have infinite solutions. Questions, comments, concerns?
I have a question. So,
here's the answers to the next part. I'm listening, Carter. So 16 to 20.
so for those ones, you just make them both equal to what, like y equals?
For 16 to 20.
I think he's talking about the
I mean, both of them, yeah.
16 to 20, you're doing substitution or elimination. So you're doing like,
Stuff like we've been doing.
yes. The first part was graphing, so we haven't graphed for a while.
Oh, that was graphing?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. Well, that's why there's no graphs in the homework.
Yeah, slowly.
the one thing I was gonna wait till you get there, but it kind of confused me when I was down here, like even at the end, because I don't have a graph already made, and like I wanted to
So obviously I'm going to give you graphs on your
that's
test.
yeah.
If you need, there's graph paper over by the windowsill. You're more than welcome to take it at any time. Okay, 21 and 22. Yeah, 20, don't worry so much about 22. It was an absolute value of y. I won't be that mean. Okay, and then 23, 24, and 25. So again, those of you when I walked around and checked and didn't have graphs, there were a lot of graphs on the homework. Alright, so what we're going to do today is review. We're going to review by competing in Jeopardy.
Ooh.
Yeah. So I'm gonna give each of you a blank sheet of paper, and then what we're gonna do is you're going to come up to the board 2 at a time, one from each team,
We got this, guys.
Wait,
and
Wait,
Mr. McBride, serious question. What should my White Lies t-shirt say tonight?
Oh my
I
god.
thought he said one. I thought he said one last. Hey, that's a bucket right there.
Serious question.
I don't.
We need to know, Mr. McBride.
Oh.
That's tomorrow.
Popping out to the game tonight?
I cannot, my son has a game.
When? Yeah, but
Right.
36
No, I
and
play
7.
Right. When are you making yours?
Well, we have a game at 3:30 and then my other one has practice at 6 and practice at 7.
That's not you tonight.
No,
Why are you
I got driving.
I know.
Why are you all having a
At home.
conversation like that?
I don't know.
Why are you so
It's what we do.
You don't just own it.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen.
You have to do one.
I'm not doing one.
Really?
What?
I don't have one. Like I could do like I'm white.
You can do it.
Or I could put one that says I like women.
Your word.
Put your name on this sheet of paper. Put
Wait,
your
does that
Wait,
mean-
does that mean you like guys?
Yeah.
That's the joke. That was the joke. I was, I wasn't thinking.
No,
You'll
you're
find
not
out.
supposed to say it like that.
Oh, yeah, you see, pass it back to them.
Right, I mean, Zachary, you were just agreeing.
Say name on the sheet of paper.
Okay, Dan.
Alright,
I'll still take it.
so you can choose to either break your paper into all the sections right now,
Are we doing groups?
or, yes, the room is split. There's 8 on this side in the first 2 rows, and there's 8 on this side in the first 3 rows.
Jackson, Dan on my team.
Can you count 8 on the first 2 rows?
Mr. McBride, drop the ads.
I cannot.
Wait, so everybody wants a little.
Actually, we have a disadvantage, so I think we should.
There's 7,
I'm
sorry.
like actually.
What?
Oh, it's like behind, right?
So here's how it's gonna work. You will do the problem at your seat silently. One person from the team will be up at the board doing the work on one of the 2 whiteboards. The people at the whiteboards are competing for the points. When they are done, like let's say you do the problem, and you get x equals 3. If they put their marker down, that means I'm gonna check it. They keep their marker and they turn around, the teammates cannot speak, but you can give thumbs up or thumbs down. So you're doing your problems at your seat, they're doing it on the board. The minute they put the marker down, it's like submitting their Jeopardy answer. So I'm not going to say, oh, team 1 gets 100 points until the marker hits the track. So if you're still holding your marker and they're like giving you thumbs up, and you're like, okay, they put your marker, don't put your marker down. And they put their marker down, they get the points. Does that make sense? If they get it right. If you put your marker down and it is wrong, you don't lose the points the first attempt. And you pick it back up, and then you say, it's on 3, it's 5. And you put your marker down, it's wrong again. Now you can lose points. So it's like you get a free shot. It's like foul shots, where you get 2 if it's on the line or any bonuses.
This gives me anxiety. Same. Yeah, I don't like being put up. I don't like it.
Sorry. Yes.
I dropped it.
Can we get into negative points? Yes. Jeopardy. Yes.
Can we say my Mr.
What do you need help?
For you?
Am I allowed to help?
No,
Did I just not explain? How can your teammates help you? Somebody please.
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thank you. That's the only help your teammates can give. Gotta figure. All right.
Let's go, Jack.
Go, Jack.
Hey, good luck.
Good luck.
Whoa.
I don't have a marker.
All right. I just put a black marker right next to your board. What, Carter? There's a red marker on your side. Jack. Okay.
Jack's getting yelled at.
No, I was gonna throw a marker at him. Look, I literally had a marker. That's
You would
what
not have thrown that at me though.
No, that's not the point.
you have a marker. I was giving it to.
Carter takes Jack's marker and back is yelling.
You ready?
Favoritism, you gotta love
Not
it.
really.
Wait, do I get to pick?
Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh, honey.
Actually,
Go.
wait.
Okay, ready?
No.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, one on my count. 1, 2, 3.
There's other.
Well, yeah, you just.
Fine. All right.
Okay, category.
500. Don't be lame. Crazy word problem.
Solving by. Ooh.
5.
Solving by elimination.
Let's
by-
go, baby. 500.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, dude.
Okay.
Oh,
Wait, it's all what?
It's 500. It's a big pointer.
Were we talking about putting holding a paper?
You didn't have to. Some people were trying to do it by category. You could just do it in order.
Carter, we can read that. Dude.
Sorry.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Hey, Jack, you're wrong.
You're not allowed to talk, okay?
How we feeling?
What is that, Carter? Carter.
Carter, you gotta show work. What do you mean?
I need an X and a Y. Like I need X equals Y equals.
Oh my god, I'm brain.
Why did you have to pick like the fraction one, Jack?
Carter.
Hey, whoa! That's literally what I had. Go with it, go with it. Go with it. Mark it down! Mark it down. I put it down, put it down. I was first.
You guys still need a Y.
Yeah, that's only one answer.
Stop looking, okay? Stop.
Hey, stop!
Is anyone doing the problem here?
Me.
Emily.
Yeah, I am, but it takes me a little longer, so.
Oh.
Can I use a calculator?
Wait, are these supposed to be separated?
I'm just writing the thumbs down.
Gabby, does this look right?
Can I use a calculator?
Yeah.
I forget.
Carter, you need a calculator?
Yeah, calculator me.
Gotcha.
What about my X?
Carter, what? Cheating.
Sit. Ryan, sit.
I'm trying to figure them all out.
If you don't, do you have this down on your paper? Then you should not be standing.
Is he going in the right direction?
I.
That looks like HE double hockey sticks wrong.
I don't have that for my X. No.
What?
What about my X?
No, that's not right.
No.
What? This is
Hold
stressful.
up.
I'm not even.
Carter, you're the smartest person in
Yeah,
this
I'm a
class.
little stressed, but I'm not crazy. My heart is racing. Hey, put it down. Put it down. Put it down.
Dan, no?
What if neither of us get it right?
I'm usually pretty smart. I just pick up other ones.
Stop.
I don't even know. That's hard.
I mean, I'm awful at it, and I got 2.
All right. Sit. We'll do another problem. Boys, sit.
Oh, let's go.
Wait, what were the
Okay. 24 and 8.
That is not what I.
Oh. Hey, you're an off. You're an off. You're an off.
Why?
He just is. He just is.
Wait, so does somebody get points then?
Correct.
I have 28.
So, just an FYI, you should have eliminated, so that means we subtracted the bottom from the top. So you had 1/4 on top, and
Way off, bro.
guys, I'm not going to shout, you had 1/2 here. So in order to do a 4th and a half, they had to have common fractions, so I changed this half to 2/4. 1/3 minus 1/3 was 0. 1/4 minus a minus became a positive, so it's 3/4. 10 minus 4 became 6. So you had 3/4 y equals 6, multiply by 4, divide by 3. y equals 8. Take that 8, plug it back in, and you get x equals 24.
She was actually kind of close.
I was on the right track.
So, now that we know how to eliminate, do you two want redemption? Or do you want to pass the marker to a teammate?
Redemption.
Okay, elimination for 100. 100.
Oh, come on. Jack, hurry up. My God.
That R equals 8. This stuff. Oh wait, that's a negative 10.
Oh my God. Jen, she's giving her.
Stop talking.
She's cheating.
No, I'm really looking at your thing.
She's telling.
She gave you the thumbs down.
No, she's telling him what's wrong. I'm
God,
right.
Brian,
I
you're
am
being
not
annoying.
saying
AF.
any words.
You already.
Not my selling. You're such a sellout, bro.
I'm sorry, that's bad.
Let's go.
Yes.
I did it in my head, dude. Look at the problem.
Wait.
I was getting
Why
yelled
are
at.
you
Jack,
feeling
you're
yourself?
such
How did you not?
Let's go, baby.
No,
So those two sold.
Pass. Okay, next.
Oh, wait, let me pass my marker.
Pass the marker. Here is the work. Here is the work. Here is the work. If you were at your seat and you still need help, there's the work. You eliminated the S's, added the R's.
She's making all the.
Okay, category and points go to Gabby's side.
Dude, some of the smartest people in the room right now.
What do you want?
500.
So, solving for
Boo.
Okay.
Actually, game's better.
Brian, let's talk about my teammate like that.
Let's go, man.
We all.
I guess
If somebody handed my calculator, that would be very nice.
Oh, wait. Dude. No.
You know you guys have to be doing these at your seat, right? Like I'm collecting it. It's why I gave you all a sheet of paper. That's why I keep putting up the answers.
You're wrong, bro.
Oh, good job, Dan.
That is correct.
Ah!
Dan, I didn't even finish.
That is also correct.
You lose 3, and I knew you were smart, so I knew it.
Oh, you were off, bro.
I knew the first one was 3, so I knew you were good.
That's karma.
Okay, pass the markers. Let's go.
You're finished right, Mike.
Who wants it?
What does I know all of you?
Wait, do not erase this one.
Give to Lily.
Hey,
I'm not even.
I'm not even done with
Oh
this
my
one.
God, I'm not.
Lily, you're actually good at math. Thank you.
Ah, Brandon said that I'm not good.
You're fine. Let's go. Okay, Brayden.
Bro, I literally almost always see it.
Okay, here's the correct work if you needed it. Again, all of this correct work is being recorded and posted.
Wait, what?
Everything like we've been doing, like I show the work, I'm recording and we'll post it. So those of you that didn't copy it down can go back, watch it, and turn it in tomorrow when I collect it if you didn't do it. Okay, category and points go to Brayden.
Oh, I get to check.
Yes, your team won.
Oh, of course.
Hurry up.
What's that?
Solid substitution for.
Go big. Go big. I went bigger.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, I can't even see the freaking screen.
Dude, can you not talk?
I said freaking.
Hey, Kerrigan, don't you be talking.
Wait.
Wait, man, I think I messed up. Crap, where did I mess up?
Go, Lily.
It's okay, it's okay. You can do it.
We're NBA.
That's where it is.
Stop.
We're on here.
Oh, man, I'm folded.
This is what
Dude, Braden's choking. You're
I
fine.
know, I'm joking hard.
Braden's
Oh,
I'm restarting. It's easier that way.
Oh my god, what is this?
It's easier this way. I'm just doing
Willie, Willie, Willie.
Whoa!
What is
that? Can you shut that down?
No, she's caught.
She just flipped over the notebook trying to give it to her.
That's 4K.
She's
Dude,
caught.
don't making excuses, bro.
She's caught it. Everyone saw it. She's laughing. She gave it to.
I did not.
I
Dude,
saw.
alright,
I saw the
it's
whole.
flipped
I saw
her way
the
right
whole
now, though.
thing.
So where's the proof?
I need a I'm. Wow.
I need a water.
I'm crazy.
Come on, Willie, you can do it. I'm like,
She's not even secret about it either.
Yeah, blasphemy. Everybody watch. Wow.
no.
You can't.
You can't do that. You can only give thumbs.
Gabby?
I thought the Pharaoh. It's like Tia. Plug it in for essence of Tia. You say y'all play Pharaoh.
Gabby,
You have no.
Same.
No, it's
Wow.
Gabby,
You're cheating.
It's
we
not.
went
I
to-
have
Gabby's
to
not the
say
one
it.
cheating in this room.
This
There-
is
there-
cap.
there-
This
there-
is cap.
I
I'm sorry.
just solved for S.
Dan, bro, I'll put her head.
You know what I'm saying?
okay.
So wrong. What am I doing? Where am I at? I'm overthinking this.
All right, look, I'll give you and you both a hint. You need to watch your signs. Lily, I can't see your work. Keep going.
You got it.
Down the
You
side.
can do it.
Nothing worse.
3 minus 4.
Hey, Braden, no pressure, bro.
3 minus 4.
Y'all are downfall.
Dude, y'all are just bad.
There you go.
Let's go up and do it for her.
Brian, you're just bad at making out.
Stop. No, not you. Them. Okay, the best part is I had all the answers, like, did you see them? They're sitting in the corner. The whole time I had them in the corner.
Braden, you didn't lose it.
They did, but
No, she was not the one cheating.
We'll get back to blood.
Hey, got there. Get back up there, baby.
We'll get back to blood.
Don't erase it yet. I gotta write that down.
Oh, Zach, you're
Here, Lily, just take a photo. Oh, you can't.
Calm down, Lily.
I'll send you a photo.
Zach's parents are gonna look familiar, like the
My heart is
DD.
Oh,
Hey, Lily, good stuff out there.
Okay,
Good stuff.
category and points. Yeah, I told her I sent her a photo.
I told you, I'm not doing this.
Zach, you have to pick category and points.
Zach, what did you do with the last one?
This is vocab, by the way. Hence starts with an S.
Hey, just do vocab so Gabby can do the
solving
answer.
substitutions for two.
Okay. Sorry.
Oh my god.
You should be doing the work at your seat.
Dude, you guys know Logan? He's hard for me today.
Carter, do the problem.
I'm doing the same thing you're doing right now.
You can't see my work this time.
Yes, I can.
Oh man, x equals 7? Negative 7? That is not what I have. I'm sorry. Okay, I will tell both of you. You have got to watch when you substitute, not putting parentheses around what you substituted.
Call me him.
I am not
Gabby, what about
Just say if they say right.
Oh, you want to play that game then?
That is correct.
Alright, Jack, yeah, we'll run this back. Jack. Let's go. We're running it back.
We're getting a
I
back.
do
Oh,
wanna
we're
see
getting a
you
back
do
of blood.
it. Let's go.
We're getting a back of blood.
I like
Hey,
it.
don't worry. I got it.
You didn't. You see what you didn't do? You lost the you had the negative on the x, but not the 2. It was minus a minus, so it turned to a positive. That's what I was saying. You had to be careful about how you substituted.
That's what confused. I was like,
You gotta move
Wait,
on from the front.
I thought the whole team had the
Come on,
go.
I think these
They're supposed
Why
to.
does she cheat? Carter literally said, her notebook is
Wait,
literally
do
down
that.
that way.
no, I'm doing some vocab.
Okay.
Alright, let's go with vocab, because I feel like we need vocab.
No, I get to choose.
No, it's not. Jack gets to choose.
Because you don't know vocab either.
Starts with S300.
Okay, ready?
What?
Ready?
Who's left?
Not really.
Oh, it's a tie ball game right now.
Jack.
Carter.
The only thing you ever do in math ever is find a.
Oh.
That's so fast!
It's Jack. It's that answer anyways. It's Jack's answer anyways.
Terry, you're getting up here, bro. No, bro.
Go do. You want to do vocab? Terry, you want to do a vocab? Okay. Terry, Ryan, let's go. Vocab, boys.
Hey, give me that vocab.
Terry versus I. Never mind.
Give me that vocab.
Okay.
Your minds.
200. Jack.
Solution. I mean, no. Ready? Set.
Boundary.
Go. What is that?
Terry! You're dumb. I saw I got it. Yeah.
That is correct. Slope intercept form.
It's slope.
I saw he got it.
He at least attempted.
Wait, that's not slow. That's not slow intercept.
That's what I said.
It's fine.
Intercept. Oh, I'll write
You
it.
didn't even
No, I'll
attempt.
write it. No, wrong guy.
Okay, next two, let's go. Who's not been up there? So Andy or Kerrigan? Jerry, there you go. Amber,
You guys
Everybody don't erase the line. I'll go back up.
erase what he wrote. Erase it. Okay, ready, girls?
No pressure. This is the last question.
Oh wait, no, I don't know.
What?
It was from before Christmas. Okay, ready? It was not anything inappropriate. It was a movie reference. Okay, what is the ratio of rise to run? Remember, the category, it starts with S. The category, it starts with S.
No, she cheated.
Rise over run.
She just said it!
All right, 100 points. Jeez Louise, I changed the question.
She literally No, she is such an off. I'm sorry. She's cheated. She's cheated every time.
You still don't know?
No, I don't know.
What is the lesson? What is chapter 3?
Inequality, guys.
That's chapter 8.
It was a JK, Miss McBride. No, that is black.
Does anybody know this answer?
Substitute.
All right.
She knows.
Kerrigan and Emily at the same time. What is the correct answer?
Let's go, man!
Manny!
We did it, and y'all cheated, we still did it. Give me that.
All right.
About Jeopardy, we get this right. No, stop.
That is correct. Manny! Kerrigan, that is also correct.
Give me that W, baby. Give me that W.
There is no W given. You guys are all cheaters.
Bro, oh, that's blasphemous. That is crazy. I'm sorry.
That was the most cheated game of Jeopardy I have ever
I
played.
watched her give every single person stuff.
I think for the next time we play this, I'm going to make everybody face me.
That is perfectly fine.
I'm 100% okay.
We did not cheat. We got cheated.
How are you gonna give a thumbs up then?
Hey, put your name on the review sheet. If you did not do it, you can turn it in tomorrow, but it is class points. So if you did it, name on it, put it on Zach's desk.
So you just need proof that we at least
No,
I didn't get all the
anyone on
answers.
that
I
team,
didn't
bro.
use
They're
my
all
duties.
off.
But I have
We got over with them, bro.
So do you want to watch it and copy it off the video to make sure you have everything I want?
I have all the equations and things them right now. But
Because like I'm looking for like kind of what I have.
that's what I mean. I have them. I just don't have all the answers. That I didn't
Okay.
bring to the end. So
Just make sure your name's on it, put it on
Okay, so it's
paper.
still fine. I didn't know if you were looking for participation or answers.
I was looking for attemptions
Okay, I see. Break it up.
to ensure that like
You see, Mr. Grant,
there was work being done.
See, the thing with my biggest problem is my brain goes very fast. Like I think about a lot of things very fast. So that's why I flew through the problem, but then I don't stop and take a second to look back at what I wrote a lot of times. So then I missed the negative and that screwed me. And then because everything's going so fast, a lot of times like by the time I try and think back, it's already gone. So I'm thinking about something else, and then I lose.
All I know is I'm so